In modern life, technology is everywhere. Technology is changing quickly, and it has become a big part of our lives. With this progress, modern inventors are making more and more fun things for us to use. In this video, we'll talk about some cool gadgets that you'll definitely want to buy. So, let's get into it. Number 8. LED Cyberpunk glasses. These glasses are the most futuristic glass made ever. It has a switch in the new model that makes it simple to turn them on and off. Additionally, the battery has been concealed, but they have kept the high-powered twin LED that are located in each arm to guarantee that the impact is just as fantastic as before. It is one of the most advanced designs for the future, and it features a sharp pattern of a futuristic design all across the front and the sides. It is surely a head-turner, and everybody will ask you questions about it. The creators of these products believe that the ease of wearing them was one of the most essential aspects when designing these products. They included padding for the arms and a molded nose cushion. As a result, you will not only look incredible, but you will also feel quite comfortable. These are perfect for every event you can think of. They are also pretty long-lasting. Number 7. Magnetic Levitation LED Floating Shoe. The X-Float is a levitating shoe display that was designed to showcase your most adored footwear to the rest of the world. Electromagnetic currents are harnessed by the floating shoe stand, which then uses this power to float your sneaker in the air. In addition, it features an integrated LED bulb and can rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing you to display your favorite asset from every angle while still keeping it in clear view using a powerful magnet that might be hidden in the shoe's heel. The shoe makes it look like the shoe is floating. The built-in fan keeps your shoe rotating by blowing air through a small hole in the sole so that you may glide for an infinite amount of time. The exhibition stand can accommodate shoes up to a size 13 in the United States and comes fully equipped with everything you require to elevate any shoe of your choice straight out of the box. Number 6. HCNT Levitating Light Bulb. The HCNT Levitating Light Bulb uses magnetic levitation technology. It can float and turn freely in the air without touching anything or being supported, and it doesn't make any noise while it's floating. The magnetic floating LED light can automatically turn 360 degrees, has a unique visual effect that draws your attention and lets you get lost in its soft light. The light bulb is powered by electromagnetic induction, so it doesn't need wires or batteries. The touch button on the wooden base turns the light on and off. The lamp is made of things that are good for the environment. They have used a super bright 60 lumens LED bulb, which is safe for the eyes. It has a long service life. With proper care, it can last for several years, and the rated use time is 50,000 hours. When the power goes out, the magnetic force of the base holds the bulb in place, so it won't fall off and break. You can put it in the office, hotel lobby, home, living room, study, bedroom, bar, coffee shop, etc. as a desk lamp, table lamp, night light, etc. and get the attention of everyone. You can also give this as a gift on occasions like birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day, etc. to family, friends, lovers, or coworkers. Imagine how surprised they will be when they get the box and open it. Number 5. XIAOMI Geometry Mini Lazy Fish Tank comes with 7-color LED lights. The Mini Lazy Fish Tank Pro is a USB rechargeable self-cleaning aquarium. It has a removable baffle and a divider that splits the space underwater into 2 parts to help fish find food and keep small fish safe. It has 2 different levels. The top layer can hold flowers and the bottom layer can hold fish. This aquarium comes with 7 built-in LED color atmosphere lights that can be changed at your will. You can choose to keep bonsai or any other plant with different colors according to your choice. The lower filter is made of stone. Both filters work well to keep dirt out. The water tank has an oxygen pump that can control the amount of contact between the water and the air. Keep up with maintenance, add oxygen to the water, and drive the water flow all at the same time. It has a metal bar switch that you can touch from any angle. With a light touch, you can change the light. Number 4. Feiyu Pocket Light. The lens of the Feiyu Pocket 2's pocket camera is separate from the body, which makes it easy to carry without any weight. You can also shoot while holding the camera in your hand. It has a 4K action camera and a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, which are built into the Feiyu Pocket 2s with the help of a 3-axis gimbal. When the camera moves or shakes, the gyro will tell the camera where it is now, and the Feiyu Pocket 2s will ask 3 motors to adjust to the original position on 3 axes. This lets the camera take smooth videos, even when it is moving. The breakpoint feature is the only one that lets you stop and start recording a video at any time. 5-dimensional joystick for controlling the direction and switching between common work modes. The shooting button makes it easy to take pictures, record, and turn on Wi-Fi. With a 1.3-inch touchscreen, you can swipe to see a video preview, take a picture, change the mode, and set up all the other settings. Breaking point shooting lets you organize your content smartly and creatively. Your audio quality needs can be met with the inner mic and external mic input interfaces. Built-in speakers let you review your shooting anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Wheel Up. Wheel Up is the ultimate bike pocket. The Velcro and silicone on this upgraded bike frame bag protect the paint on the bike from getting scratched when you're riding on a rough road. The 3 Velcro straps help keep the bike bag in place on the frame. This upgraded top 2 bike bag is made of high-quality waterproof, even material, and the rain cover keeps your things dry even when it's pouring outside. The waterproofing around the double seamless zippers makes them very stiff. When you want to get some bike accessories, you can easily open the bike phone holder bag. This large front frame bag for a bike will make sure you have a comfortable ride. There is a sun visor that makes it easier to see the phone screen, which is great for sunny days. The bags have reflective tape on both sides, so you can ride safely at night. With the hidden earphone hole, you can listen to music, answer the phone, or charge your device while you're on your bike. The touch screen on this front bike bag works perfectly, and the breathable velvet cushion holds the phone in place. Number 2. SAKUMO Mini. The SAKUMO Mini, a brand new retro gaming system in the shape of a handheld device, has arrived on the online market this year. The handheld comes packed with more than 4,000 vintage games that can be played immediately without the need for any downloads beforehand. You'll be able to play classic video games like Mario Kart and Donkey Kong for the Game Boy, as well as Street Fighter and Mega Man for the Super Nintendo Entertainment System on the palm-sized SAKUMO Mini. The SAKUMO console features a powerful Cortex-A7 CPU with a frequency of 1.2 GHz. This processor makes it possible to play any old game without difficulty or lag, and it also supports a wide variety of emulators. The operating system has been overhauled, and the new version runs more smoothly and is easier to use. You can now customize the screen brightness, language, key mapping, and sleep mode, among other things. The game SAKUMO allows you to save your progress at any moment with just one click, and you can pick up just where you left off whenever you choose. Number 1. Levitating Flower Pot. It's an authentic levitating floating plant pot for you. It's a nifty little pot that spins in the air and defies gravity. This product strikes an ideal balance between nature and technology. A magnetic rotating air bonsai plant is included in this set in order to maximize the effects of the sun and other sources of light. The levitating floating plant pot is made to rotate smoothly while suspended. Because of its lightweight, portable, and plug-and-play design, it is ideal for use in the decoration of any home or office. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.